Hey everyone! Welcome to our video all about choosing the best lawn grass for your New Jersey yard. You know, New Jersey has a unique climate and soil, and it's important to select grass types that are specifically suited for these conditions. We'll be exploring the best options for lush, healthy lawns that can thrive in this environment. So, get ready to discover which grasses will bring your yard to life. Now, let's get into the heart of our lawn grass choices. We'll be highlighting 5 top contenders, each with unique strengths. First up, Kentucky bluegrass, known for its classic green color, durability, and ability to handle those cold New Jersey winters. Then we have tall fescue, a low-maintenance option that stands up well to both heat and drought. Next, perennial ryegrass is a fast-growing option that recovers quickly from damage and adds a lush, dark green touch. For shady areas, fine fescue is a fantastic choice, as it thrives in those conditions. And finally, we have zoysia grass, a warm-season grass that flourishes in the hot, humid summers of New Jersey, staying green all year round. Let's dive deeper into each of these grass varieties. With so many great options, how do you pick the right grass for your yard? It's all about finding the best fit for your specific needs. We'll guide you through the key factors to consider. First, think about your lawn's sun exposure. Does it get full sun, partial shade, or mostly shade? Second, consider your desired maintenance level. Are you looking for a low-maintenance option, or are you willing to put in more effort? Finally, we'll discuss the specific benefits of each grass type, helping you determine which one will best complement your lawn and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the essential care that keeps your lawn looking its best. Selecting the right grass is a great start, but maintaining a beautiful lawn requires consistent care. We'll walk you through some key tips, focusing on fertilizing, mowing, and watering your New Jersey lawn effectively. These practices will ensure your grass thrives and stays healthy throughout the year, giving you a vibrant, lush lawn to enjoy. And there you have it. By combining the right grass for your New Jersey yard with consistent care, you can create a beautiful, healthy lawn that you'll be proud to show off. Remember, proper fertilization, mowing, and watering are crucial for keeping your lawn vibrant and lush. We hope this video has inspired you to create a beautiful outdoor space to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.